Welcome. In front of me is a Google Pixel 10, and today I will show you how you can enable your power saving mode on this device. So to get started, swipe down from the top of your screen like so, and then do that once more, which will extend the list of visible toggles. And now just look for the power saving mode. Now, if it's not added by default, like I don't see it, we can click right here on this pencil, and then scroll down and you can see battery saver is right here under utility. So we're going to click on the plus, it's added, and now we can just go back, swipe, and you can see it right here. We're going to click on it and it immediately turns on power saving mode without actually letting us know what will be changed. So we can quickly hold this, there we go, and you can see extend the battery saver. So it looks like it affects some applications, but anyway, to help your battery last longer, extend battery saving pauses non-essential apps and their notifications. That seems like not a very great way to save power, to be honest. How about this one? So limit visual effects and background activity. Turn on dark theme if not already on. That's interesting. Whoa. Okay, so this is the extreme battery saver. Okay, not sure why this is the default, and not sure why the option is just kind of weirdly weird for extreme battery saver. Not really what I'm used to, but I presume this is not the default that you might experience. For you, I'm pretty sure it would be the standard one. Now this one, there we go, as you can see, allows us to still use our device normally. The extreme one kind of gets rid of the applications to make them unavailable and just disables them. It doesn't really mention that it disables them, but you can see you can't really open them up. So yeah, this is more extreme battery saver if you want to utilize that. But whichever one you use, once you're done needing it, you can just find the toggle once more and click on it once again to turn it off. So with that being said, hopefully you found this very helpful, and if you did, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.